there, foodies! Today, we're going to dive into a delicious and traditional dish known as tripe, also known as Mogodu. This hearty and flavorful dish is a must-try for anyone who loves bold flavors and unique culinary experiences. To start, we'll need to clean and prepare the tripe. This might seem intimidating, but trust me, it's not as difficult as it sounds. Once we've got the tripe ready, we'll simmer it in a rich, flavorful broth. This is where the magic happens, as the tripe absorbs all the delicious flavors. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking! Add salt and cover with water and boil the tripe for 3 hours.